Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to make a YouTube logo using Python. First of all, we are going to import the Turtle library. And after importing the Turtle library, we are going to be setting the background. And when I mean setting the background, I mean the screen. So we're going to write window is equal to turtle.screen and the background color is going to be black. Now we're going to create a turtle object. Pen is equal to turtle.turtle. The pen size is 3 and the pen speed is 2.5. Now we're going to draw the red rectangle. The pen color will be red. Pen up means the pen will be up and we are going to a specific location. Now we're going to put pen down and we're going to start the filling. So we're going to move forward 160 steps, turn left 90 steps, move forward 80 steps, turn left 90 steps, move forward 160 steps, and turn left 90 steps. Then in the last but not the least, pen dot forward 80 steps. Then we're going to end the fill. After this, we are going to go for the white button. So pen color is white and pen up. We're going to do pen up and we're going to go to minus 15. That is the specific location. Then we're going to do pen down and we're going to begin the fill by moving left 60 steps, moving forward 40, then turning right 120 steps, then moving forward again 40. We're going to end the fill. Now we're going to hide turtle and turtle dot done. Means now our code is completed. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more.